Welcome to Car Apex, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thrilling update from Car Apex. Now, let's dive into today's feature, the legendary return of the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. The 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is a masterful blend of retro charm and cutting-edge technology designed to reignite the glory of one of the most iconic muscle cars ever made. Chevrolet has crafted this modern iteration with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring it stays true to its heritage while delivering an exhilarating driving experience. Starting with the exterior, the Chevelle SS boasts a bold and aggressive design that commands attention. Its muscular stance, sculpted body lines, and signature dual racing stripes evoke the spirit of its 1970s predecessor. LED headlights and taillights add a modern touch, while the 20-inch alloy wheels enhance its sporty appeal. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a powerful 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine. This monster churns out an impressive 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Enthusiasts will appreciate the optional 6-speed manual for a more engaging driving experience. The Chevelle SS rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it a formidable contender in the muscle car segment. The interior of the 2025 Chevelle SS strikes a perfect balance between classic aesthetics and modern luxury. Premium materials like leather and aluminum trim adorn the cabin, while advanced tech features keep you connected on the go. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation ensure seamless functionality. The customizable ambient lighting and premium Bose sound system create an immersive driving environment. Comfort is not compromised, with well-bolstered seats and ample legroom, even in the rear. Safety is also a priority in the 2025 Chevelle SS. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Chevrolet has taken every measure to ensure that this powerful machine offers peace of mind on the road. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS starts at a base price of $50,000, and making it an attractive option for muscle car enthusiasts seeking a balance of performance, style, and value. Fully loaded with all the available upgrades, the price can reach up to $75,000, and considering the blend of heritage and modernity it offers, the Chevelle SS is set to be a hot commodity. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. What do you think about its revival? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Subscribe to Car Apex for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.